There's a lot of bikes here, so you can bike in this island. Here in Selinog Island. So I'm here with my friend Angel. This is actually more of a biking escapade than there's a lot of bikes here, so you can bike in this island. That's Angel. So if you've watched my live stream, that's her. Wow, this is really so cool. So I have my front camera set, so we've got angles all over. I don't know how I look like, but wow, this is such amazing view here under the tree. Woo! So we stopped over here for a quick look, but you cannot see that, just us. We are here in the middle of our biking in Selinog Island. I really highly suggest you come here and you do biking. It's just a different thing. I think it's good for family because there's no heavy traffic. So if you have kids and if you want to spend time with your kids, this is one of the best things to do. So basically done biking in the entire island, and the girls on the boat that I was with are now playing volleyball. So they are all there having fun. I wanted to join, but it is just too hot, even for somebody who's been in the tropics like me. So yeah, I just enjoy the day with them. The boat, very spacious. I think even 50 people can fill in it here. Can fill in here. Where the deck is. This is towards the east side. I'll show you. Ah! The water is so clear. There's a toilet in the boat. There's a TV. You can jump in here. Maybe I will jump in here. Wow, I wanted to jump in here. I want to jump in here because it's so linaw. Oh, so cool. There are dolphins here. Wow. There are dolphins here. It's a twin rainbow. Angel needs to be ushered at the back of the boat because she can't go down using the ladder. That's the Sanbar.